Okay, so balik. Okay, so first you need to convert the 80% into decimal po. So by converting 80% to decimal, so first you need to count the zero in the percent lang po. So you need to count lang ha, pila ka zero atong percent, we have 2. So magbutang lang ka og dali lang ka mag-start sa zero going to the right. So left to the right. So move lang ng dalawang places po. Okay, so put decimal po, then magbutang na og 0. 0.0.80. Okay? So ganyan lang ha. Duha ra jud naka place ang ato ang pag-move. Left to right. Okay, na-gets ninyo? So we have 0.80. Okay, copy? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't need to multiply by 100. Okay, some of your classmates o some of you basig unsaon gito pag convert mag-multiply pa ka og 100 ay kanang 80% multiply pa ay over 100 pa nimo dili multiply over 100 pa nimo para makuha nimo ang decimal. So you don't need to divide by 100 po. Gamit lang ka og katong move. Mag-move ra jud kag duha ka decimal places po. So magiging 0.80 ang okay, how about the okay, makatag example. Kani 52. So i-practice na to atong sarili. 52.50%. Okay. So please convert into decimal po. Okay, type your answer in the call message. Type your answer po. So check na ko. 52.50%. So what would be the conversion into decimal po? Okay, taga na og points ha, maka-answer ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so very good kang tak-an taman. Okay, so tama. 0.5250. Okay, wala na kang sulaiman. So tama lang kay takan. Okay, pwede po 0.525, 0.5250, 0.5250, okay, 0.5250. Okay, so very good. So congrats. So very good. Nga na lang. Student, you need to move to decimal places po. Ikan kang left. Left ba? Right tayo. Right to left. Ana lang. Okay, so after that, by getting the percentage po, 50 times 0.80. Okay, so manatag-discuss niya about on how to multiply whole number to decimal po. Okay, so the answer is 40. Okay, bisa magamit pag calculator dira. 50 times 0.80, so we have 40. So the percentage is 40. Next, 60% of 150 is what number? Okay, student. Paki-note jud ani ha. Kay every time nga naay mga examination like the CS, mga board exam, usa pa ng mga board exam, mugawas jud ni ang mga percentage. Okay? So dapat inyuhan ning hinumduman, ibutang na sa inyong alimpatakan. Okay. So next, we have B. 60% of 150 is what number? Okay, so what would be the conversion of 60% to decimal po? Hello? Anybody in the group?
0.60.
Yes, 0.60. So, naadra, sir, oh. Buta ka, sir, buta. Okay, so, 0.60. So, 150 times 0.60 equals 90.
90.
Yes. Okay, so nagets ninyo? Okay, para maka-scroll down na pod, up na pod ko. Okay, okay na? Yes. Next, the concept of percentage can be applied to solve different real life problems Study the following example. Okay. Si Fe is planning to buy a new car through an auto loan financing or financing scheme. To avail of a lower monthly amortization, she must pay 30% of the purchase price of 648,000 pesos as a down payment. How much should she save for the down payment of her car? Okay, so student, this is our formula po. The down payment equals purchase price, pila to ang iyang gibayad, times rate. Okay, so pag ang iyang total price sa car, we have 648,000. Para makuha daw to niya, para maka-loan siya, para makuha to niya, dapat mo down siya o pila iyang i-down? Pila ka percent ang iyang i-down?
30%.
Yes, 30%. So mabantayan na nimo bago ka mag-utang og motor dira or mag-utang ka og unsa pa man sa ibon, mga something sabon or unsa pa man na iya kabutang dira, you need to down 30%. Kung naay 500 dira ang iyang presyo niya sa ibon or unsa man na sabon, so you need to multiply na lang po. Okay, so like this. Okay, so the purchase price of the car, we have 648,000 pesos times, so 30%, imo siyang i-convert into decimal po. 0.30. Okay, 648 times 0.30, pila? Pila? Hey, nawala ko. Wala lagi mo tingog ay.
Basta to sir, di mo nagdungog usay kay mapotol.
Ako ang napotol?
Amo.
Yes, sir.
Ay, ako din ang napotol. Okay. So, student, you need to substitute lang po the value. So, our purchase price, we had 648,000 times or multiply to 0.30. So, 648,000 times 30, 0.30, we have 194,400 pesos po. Okay? So, pila iyang i-down? Money. Okay, student, pag naay mga word problem ha, so don't forget to write the conclusion. Okay, therefore, example lang. Okay, nagets niyo? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pag maka-encounter mo mga word problems po, don't forget to write the conclusion po. Pag mga word problems. Okay, then, the unit po, pag mag-con ka, ay ang gigamit peso sign or dollar, euro ba na, o unsa pa na, dapat ibutang jud nimo ang iyang unit. Okay. Next, the examples 2. How much value-added tax would you pay for a phone bill amounting to 474.97 pesos? How much would be your total payment after applying the 12% VAT? So, pag may VAT, value-added tax. Siyempre, ang government, nagasingil dyan na siya og VAT. Nga naman, kay kana nga tax, kana imong ginabayaran nga tax, ginagamit pud na siya para sa ato ang kaugmaon. Okay. So, na na yung mga tax, dapat diliin siya kan. Okay. Muna nga, pag mahal ang isa ka item, dako-dako pud ang imong tax nga ginabayaran. Okay? Okay, student, so the formula of the getting the total payment after applying the VAT po. So, VAT, the value added tax, the phone bill, and multiply to tax rate. Okay, so, okay, ignore lang niya. Okay, so, pila ang ato ang billing na to. So, we have 474.97, di ba? Then, multiply to 0.12 or ato ang VAT nga 12%. So, 474.97 pesos times 0.12 equals 56.9964 pesos. Okay, so nagets ninyo? Hello?
Sir.
Yes. Okay, so same pa man. Okay, student. So next, we need to to proceed into the finding the base. Okay, nganong na derive man nga formula B equals P over R. Okay, ato siyang i-derive, ato siyang i-solve. Okay, so atong original nga formula student P equals B times I. Okay, na-gets? Di ba mo na ito ang original nga formula? So by getting the base po, or ang ato ang missing ani ang base, so ato lang siyang i-remain ang B, i-divide lang nato si R. Okay, cancel. Then, pag mag-divide ka, both side po. Okay, so ang nabilin, base equals P over R. Okay, so nag-gets ninyo? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, gidrive lang ako na kay ganun na B equals P over R na siya. So ano lang, gikan sa original formula niya, gi-divide lang siya by R. Then makuha na ang B equals P over R. Next, example 1. Okay, so the missing po, so we need to find the base. So man ang formula, ato lang na siyang i-note ha. Pag base gani ang missing, so paki-memorize na lang po sa formula. Example 1. 20% of what number is 12? Okay, of what number is 12? So it means we need to find the base. Okay. Student, we have the given, the rate, and our percentage. Okay, after that, you will need or you required to substitute the given value. So 20% convert into decimal po, so 0.20. Then our percentage, we have 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 0.20, so our quotient na to, we have 60 po. Okay, so na-gets?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so very good. Then, example
Yes, sir.
in the B po, 225 is 90% of what number? Okay, so we have our percentage 225, then our rate 90%. Okay, so ano lang, 225 over 90%, so convert into decimal, 0.90 equals, okay, 225 divided by 0.90 equals 250. Okay, copy? Gets? Wala?
Yes.
Okay, next. Example 1. Okay, so we have the word problem. If the computed tax on excess of 140,000 pesos, or the taxable income as 25% is 15,000, how much was the amount in excess of 140,000 that was subjected to tax of 25%? Okay, so we have the formula, student. The computed tax equals the excess of 140,000 times rate. Okay, sir, naunsa naman sir, nalibog naman may answer. Okay, so we need to find the excess po. So pangitaon na nato ang excess of 140,000. So ato lang na siyang i-derive. So di ba? CT, computed tax. Then the excess times rate. Okay, divide both side by R in order to get the excess po. Okay. So meron na po tayong the excess equals the computed tax or the CT over rate. After that, you need to substitute the value of our computed tax, di ba? Itong computed tax, we have 15,000 over 0.25. Kaya ato ang rate dira 25% man. Okay, so the answer is 60,000. So the amount in excess of 140,000 that was subjected to 25% tax is 60,000. Okay, so nakuha, student? Hello? Hello?
Kuha, sir. Kuha,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next example 2. We have the bad debts po. The debts po. Or parts of a loan or accounts receivable that are considered uncollectible. So kani ang bad debts ang tawag ana wala pa na siya na collect. Pero account na siya nga receivable. Pag yung kag receivable, i-receive pa na nimo pero uncollectible pa siya. Wala pa nimo siya na collect. Okay. Are estimated at 2% of the accounts receivable or amount to be collected from a customer. Okay. Wala pa man muna ano pag next ana nga ko na pag next sem po. So kana nga tayo mag-discuss na si Ma'am Alma siguro sa inyong mga different types of account sa fundamentals of accounting na siguro to. Mga different types of account. Okay. So the account receivable or amount to be collected from a customer. If the bad debts expense to be charged is 1,480 pesos, how much was the company's accounts receivable? Okay, so we have the formula, student. The bad debt expense equals account receivable times rate. Okay, so mo na ang ato ang formula. So after that, you need to get kay ato ang missing diri si account receivable man wala man ta kabalo kung pila ang value ni account receivable. Kay nangutan naman siya how much was the company's account receivable. Okay. So by deriving po, so ato siya i-derive. Okay, the BD or the bad debts po. ER, account receivable, times rate or the R. Okay, divide lang po both side by R. Okay, so we have AR equals okay, mali. Bad debts over R. So nakuha niyo mo ni. Okay na? Nakuha niyo?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So after that, okay, so nanday formula. The ER equals accounts receivable equals bad debt expense over rate. So, ano lang, substitute lang po by the given po. Pila to ang given ni the BD na to. The BD na to, di ba, 1,480 pesos. Over 0.02. Okay, kay asa ba si 0.02, sir? Okay, so dali na gikan. Sir, nga na 0.02 na. Okay, so 2%, di ba? Di ba ang ingon ako mag-move lang mo og duha ka decimal gikan from right to left. So wala na na ang kana percent, so mag-move lang ta 1 2. So butang ka decimal, butang ka og 0. So that's why 0.02. Okay, so na-gets? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it means or the answer po, the common is account receivable. So ang i-receive pa or ang kolektahon pa ni company, mudagan pa siya og 74,000 pesos. Okay? So na-gets? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Kinakita man niyo diri ang dako manggod ang iyahang. So nakita nimo ba? Dako ang iyahang expense po, iyang charge kay dagan man og 1,480 pesos. So expected na po nga ang iyahang tubo man siya og 2%. So ang iyang principal dito mudagan yun na siya og 74,000. Kaya dako man kaya ang kuno interest. Okay, so the rate. So first, ato sang i-derive ang rate. Okay. So sa pag-derive ni rate, so our original formula, P equals rate times base. Okay. Divide lang po si base para ma-cancel, mabilin ato ang rate over B. Okay, so our formula po, dra na ma-derive si rate. So rate equals percentage over the base. Okay, so na-gets?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Uy, basta nakalimot mo ba? Kalimot na mo saan pag mga derivation dra. Dara, nga na raman pagkuha. Okay, so the term rate is a synonymous with grade or quality. So it is literally the amount that is paid. A price to be paid that is according to a scale or standard, charge payment, unit or ratio used in assessing the property taxes and etc. Okay, to find the rate, simply divide the percentage by the base. Ano lang? Okay, student, paki-memorize po kay basig mo surprise ko sa inyo ang oral, patay jud ang dili ka memorize. Okay, copy po. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, dali, okay na memorize na. Okay, so example 1. What percent of 60 is 40? So nakita ninyo dira or naobserbahan ninyo wala ang ato ang rate or ato ang percent. So by simply apply the rate equals percentage over base. So 60, our 60 po dyan student is our base. Then the percentage 40. So 40 divided by 60 equals pila? 2/3. Okay. So pwede naman na siyang i-call lang nimo. I-GCF lang nimo. Okay. Divide by 20, 40 divided by 20, so 2, 60 divided by 23. So 2 divided by 3, so we have the repeated decimal po, 0.6666. Okay, so naka-continuous na siya, ellipsis po yan. So 66.6%. So naka-continue ang 6 nato ana. Okay, next, B. 120 is what percent of 150? So by simply apply the formula po, R equals P over B. So our percentage we have 120. Then our base we have 150. So 4 divided by 5 equals 0.5. Okay, or 80%. Okay, so nagets na dere? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So very good. So next, in our example 2, the marked price of an item, we have 790 pesos. The store offered 200 pesos off on the item. What was the rate of the discount? Okay, student, ang iyang mark price ani, ang iyang bali ang iyang original price ani, we have 790 pesos. Then nag-offered siya og 200 pesos po ang iyang murag pagbaba niya. So pasabot ana ang iyang original nga price na ani, so 790 minus 200, so we have 590 pesos, di ba? Tama ba? Tama ba ko? Nag-off man siya og 200 sa isa ka item. So ang iyang expected nga price na ani or the original price na niya, so mahimo ng 590, di ba? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, so very good. So 590 po ang kanyang mabayaran. Nya nanguta naman siya. Okay, what was the rate of the discount? Kung pila daw ang iyang gi-discount, the rate of discount, pila man ang iyang the percent or ang iyang rate nga gibaba. Okay, student, you need to memorize po. Discount equals mark price times rate of discount. Okay? So by deriving po, so ang imuha lang siyang derive po. So ako siya i-derive. The discount equals mark price, MP lang naka, MP, Emperador, times RD pawn shop. Okay? Then, ato ang missing by address si rate of discount. So by simply divide both side by MP, emperador. Okay. So our formula po, the rate of discount equals discount over market price. Okay, nakuha ninyo? Giyon sa pag-derive? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So by simply substitute po the given value. So ato ang discount dito kay nag-offer man siya 200. So butang sa discount, the market price katong wala pa siya na kuhaan, we have 790. Okay, so 0.2532%. Okay, so percent. Decimal niya, so 0.2532. So imo lang siyang i-convert to percent. Ang uban ato lang siya i-multiply to 100, di ba? 0.25 times 32 times 100, so 25.32. Okay, ayo nung paglibog-libog ana. Pag i-convert kay nimo siya decimal to percent, same lang gyapon dati pero vice versa na siya. Okay, ana lang. Okay, so mag-count lang ka duha ka decimal, gikan kang left padulong kang right. So may man siyang 25.32%. So na-gets? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so bantay bitaw ha. Okay, so after this we have our quiz. Quiz ta. Para may balaan dyan ako nga naminaw jud. Okay, so tagaan mo og mga 10 minutes para mag-answer sa quiz. So in your module po, so you need to answer. So direct lang. I-direct lang ang answer kung pila ang answer ani. Okay? So in the word problem po, test 2. So student, you will need to convert po into percent. Then the total amount due, then pila mo to ka percent, kung makita nimo pila ka percent ang ihang nakuha ninyo, then i-plus lang siya. So ang total ana mga 100% or approximately 99.9 ana. Okay, so kaon nimo ang iyang percentage dari ang iyang rate. Okay, so nakuha ninyo? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Nawala ka. Okay, so after that, so you need to answer the word problem po. Student, pag word problem, pag man og solve, ibutang ang iyang conclusion. Okay, na-gets? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's have a quiz po. So ako sa iyo, ako ang record.